So we're in Matabungkay beach and we rented a balsa or a floating cottage for 2,500 pesos. And I'm so excited to show it to you. Upon entering Barangay Matabungkay, there is a checkpoint and they ask us for a medical certificate. Since we don't have one, they said, kahit isa lang. And my friend JP said that meron daw. So he showed them. It's a good thing na nasa camera niya, nasa cellphone. And oh my goodness, the beach is so beautiful. There's the floating cottages. And then, where's my story? Yes, the guy said that he needs a medical certificate and JP showed it to him from his cell phone. And then, we're approved. Ate, basa yung floor!
Kuha ka ng map.
Sino yung taga-walis?
Juicy!
Taga-map. Wala si Art.
Wala. Siyempre wala.
CR ka dito.
Magsi-CR.
So hi, we're in Matabungkay Resort and we rented a balsa or a floating cottage. And it's worth 2,500, but the only setback is it's in a very shallow area, like shallow, very shallow. But we're enjoying, like it's floating, it's above the water, and we are enjoying. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is the floating cottage that we rented for the whole day, worth 2,500 or $40, $45, something like that. And it's floating above the water, though it's very shallow. We have a... Uy, salvavida! Hi! Tapos, we have a table here. There you go, we have a table. Excuse me, guys. There you go, it's fast. And we're grilling a liampo over there, that's our food. And we have a room over here. It's a cottage, or it's a room where we can put our things into, and it's a huge raft. Then I'm in the water again. Isa lang yan. We're going to eat now. To eat at day. First, you open. Then, you put the chili sauce. Ow! It's mainit. Next, you put it like this. And you make it higop. How? Small how? Masarap. Then, it's a seashell.
Okay.
From the sea. So you eat it like this kasi it's maanghang. Matigas. Yummy. Is it very nice?
Smile at your place.
There. And it's very delicious.
Ganyan pala.
Try ko siya kung saan masarap.
Alin? Mas masarap daw yan. Uy, meron pa siyang laman loob. Meron pa siya ditong laman.
Gawa ka. Tara po. Tara.
Kutsara na. Kutsara.
Spoon.
Ano
ang kakainin niyo?
Yung yellow. Masarap.
Wait lang, hindi ko pala titikman. Hindi pa nga bayad eh.
Kinakain din ba yung ano niya? Ah, hindi.
Yung hindi kinakain.
Ate, ayoko ng buo.
Kaya nga.
Para siyang ano.
Para siyang egg pudding. Yeah.
Palit ah! Palit lang! Ate,
Ay, malaki ba yun?
Yan mo nga, di ba?
putulin ko na lang ng kamay. Matamis.
Suka.
Masarap siya.
We are now going to do a snorkeling. 150 per head. Our goggles. And I don't know where we're going. They said that we're going to a coral where we can go snorkeling. We are in, what is this, Pacific Ocean?
No.
No, maybe it's South China Sea.
Yeah.
We're in the Matabungkay beach, and I'm with my group of friends, and we are trying to get some. Okay, hi. We just finished snorkeling and we just finished swimming in the big waves, and now we're preparing our dinner and we're lighting up our Dixie lights. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna show you how to surf properly. Hold on. How to surf properly. Okay, go! Go! More, higher! We're going to evacuate. Come on. So we're leaving our raft, and it's so dark, and we're trying to cross in knee-high water. I want to show it to you, but it's so dark. Let me try. So we just finished washing up and leaving this. We don't even know the name of the resort. But we are in Matabungkay Resort Beach, and we are all washed up and dry. By the way, we have remaining 500. So saan mararating ang 500 pesos mo?